back to my channel Nomade Life. So today I want to show you few video collection which is taken by my own brother who is living in Tibet right now. So this video is all about my hometown. So anywhere, without wasting time, we'll see first videos and after that I will explain about it. So let's explain. This is yak, and this animal is origin from Tibet, and it's really difficult to see any other country. Okay, let's show you my home. This is my home in a nomads. Actually we having house, but during the summer time we have to go with the animals, so we have to stay in a black tent. I hope you guys having little bit knowledge about nomad. If you don't have, then please watch this video till last, then at least you will get little bit knowledge about nomad. I think nomad life is not easy as we think, because they can't settle one particular place. They need to move one place to another place, and they need to take care of animals and all the time go after them. Here is a sheep. So guys, this video is all about Tibetan nomad life and my hometown. So if you have a knowledge about Tibetan nomad, then please watch this video till last, then you will understand what is the nomad, and you will understand how they are living and what kind of animal they are having, and you know, their culture, dress, everything you can see in this video. So if you like this kind of video, then please leave the comment below, then I will try my best to bring such kind of video.
Yeah.
how is today's video. I hope you all like it. If you like, then please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure on the notification bell that you will reach all my videos. Okay, bye bye. See you soon with another video.